Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to hide your WhatsApp DP from people you don't want them to see it, right? How to hide your WhatsApp profile picture from people, maybe strangers you don't want them to know that you are the one on your display photo, or people you save their number or whatever. You will set it to your own liking, right? So all you have to do, once you go to your WhatsApp, move to this three dotted line here by the top. So when you click it, you come to settings, right? So when you open your settings, you come to privacy. Then when you tap on privacy, you now see profile photos, right? So once you open here, this is where you're going to choose your people you want them to see it. So you can decide to move it to my contact. So it means that the only people that will be able to see your DP is people that you have their contact, people that saved your contact, right? Or you can decide to put it in nobody, so nobody will be able to see the actual display photo that you are using. Then here now you can decide to my contact except. So here now you can name select, these are your contacts except these people. Now other people will be able to see it except the people that you choose. So if I choose all these people now and click on this good, I will now mark it. It means that other people will be able to see my display photos, but these people that I selected will not be able to see it. So with that being said, you can actually put a particular photo and you can restrict others from seeing it on your DP and allow others to see it on your DP. So do well to subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.